I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your PayPal app is a straightforward process. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open the PayPal app. Launch the PayPal app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Wallet. Tap on the wallet icon located at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Add a card. Look for the option that says link a card or add a credit card. Tap on it to start entering your card details. Step 4. Enter card information. Fill in the required details, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos to avoid issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your card information, tap Save or Done to finalize the addition. You should see a confirmation message if successful. Sometimes, the app may prompt you to verify your identity through text message or email. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. I hope this helps you add your credit card easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.